Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Phantom wallet to your Bybit. Now first thing you need to do is open up your Phantom wallet and then click on this USDT from here. And after that, you just have to click on this send button. And in this screen, you have to paste the wallet address in these two sections. So open up your Bybit app and then click on this assets option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to click on this deposit option from these options. And on this screen you have to search for the USDT, so tap on this search bar and type USDT, and from the search result select the USDT. After that you just have to select the network that you want to use, so click on this network option and select the network that you want to use to transfer your USDT. After that you will be able to get your wallet address, so just click on this copy button right next to your address and then go back to the Phantom wallet and paste the wallet address in these two sections and then click on next. And then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on this next button. And lastly, you have to confirm this transfer, so make sure your wallet address and the network type is correct. You have to make sure that this network is same in both of your Bybit and your Phantom wallet. And once you confirm these details, click on send. After you do that, your USDT will be transferred from Phantom wallet to your Bybit. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.